Fresh, vibrant, and full of character, green onion kimchi brings out the bold essence of Korean flavors with a crisp, spicy bite. Welcome to Joy's Seoul table. Today, we are making pakimchi. Start with fresh green onions. In Korea, we often use young scallions with tender stems and a clean, slightly sweet flavor. Trim the roots and peel away any outer layers. Give them a thorough rinse under running water, then drain well. Trim the ends slightly and place the white parts facing down in a bowl. Pour the fish sauce over the white sections to lightly cure them and let them sit for about 15 minutes. Halfway through, gently turn them to ensure even seasoning. Once lightly wilted and slightly golden, transfer the remaining fish sauce into a bowl for the seasoning. Add salted shrimp, gochugaru, sugar, corn syrup, minced garlic, minced ginger, apple juice, and sesame seeds. Apple juice adds a natural sweetness and fresh balance. Mix until well combined. Pour the seasoning over the green onions and coat each layer, building it up evenly. Handle them lightly to keep their crisp texture intact. Transfer to a container and finish with a sprinkle of sesame seed. Let it rest at room temperature for a day, then refrigerate to deepen the flavor. As it ferments, the sharpness of the green onions mellows, developing a gentle sweetness and balance. Pakimchi pairs beautifully with simple meals, a bowl of rice, or Korean black bean noodles, like 짜파게티. Enjoy! I will see you at Joy's Seoul table.